Hello, John Gardner here with Rydell Auto Body and Glass, and I would like to introduce you to the Rydell Digital Curbside Estimate Program. I would like you all to know that Rydell is here to help with your auto body repair while minimizing your exposure. Contact us through phone, online form, or Facebook Messenger. Our experienced estimators will then be able to walk you through what pictures they will need you to send them, ask a few questions about the damage, and gather insurance information. If, for some reason, we need you to bring your vehicle in for further pictures or inspection, we will have you stay in the comfort and safety of your vehicle. We will come out to you. Upon completion of the estimate, we can set up an appointment to have your vehicle fixed. On the day of your appointment, our team can pick up your vehicle from either your work or home, and upon completion of repairs, deliver it back to you. For further questions on our digital curbside estimating process, please reach out to us at 701-792-2846 or visit us online at rydellcars.com.